Hi, my name is Fran. I'm a registered dietitian and this video is for Halifax Public Libraries. The recipe for today is originally from Iran and it called Zeitoon Parvardeh, or olive walnut, marinated olive walnut and pomegranate paste. So basically we have very few ingredients. It's basically green olives, which I use just regular ready to use green olives, but you can use use whole olives, or you can buy the whole and pit them and chop them, or you can use them as whole. The other ingredient is walnut, which I grounded it, and because I just like the little crispy texture, I just left a few, a little bit of chunks of walnut in it, but you can ground it, or you can just chop walnut as any way that you like it. The other ingredient, which is very unique and I like to introduce it to you, hope you try it, is pomegranate paste, which you can get it from some multicultural convenience store, or I have seen it in some larger retailers in their international aisle. If you don't have a pomegranate paste, just don't worry, you can make it at home with pomegranate juice, and you can add some lemon juice or sugar in it and let it boil until it gets that syrupy texture. The good thing about making your pomegranate paste at home is that you can adjust it based on your taste. You can add less sugar, more lemon juice, for example. But the point about pomegranate juice is that it's not supposed to be really sweet. It has to have that savory, unique taste to it. So for this recipe, I have about 1/3 cup of olive, 1 cup of ground walnut, and about 4 or 5 tablespoons of pomegranate paste. Like any other recipes, you can modify it based on your taste. You can have less walnut, more pomegranate paste, or any way that you want. I have 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. I have a pinch of salt, and also a little bit of herbs. So herbs is whatever you can change it based on your taste. It's best to be more aromatic herbs. I have here mint and tarragon, but as I mentioned, it can be whatever that you prefer. I also have olive oil. I can add a couple spoon of olive oil. So it's very basic, very simple. We just add all the ingredients in a large bowl and we mix them together. The 3 main ingredients of this recipe, olive, walnut, and pomegranate paste, are basically, for example, pomegranate paste is very rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and vitamin B, which antioxidants is very beneficial for your brain and heart health, and also improve your immune system. Walnut is very high in essential fatty acid, omega-3, omega-6, and also lots of antioxidant, and they have very good same benefits for your heart health, and your brain health, and also improve your immune system. And same thing for olives. They are very rich in vitamin E, and also they are high in antioxidants. And we add here the rest of our ingredients, garlic, salt, and herbs, and we just mix them. You add your pomegranate paste. I just add all of it because I know how much it takes, but you can add slowly to see what's the kind of texture that you want. We mix them. So this is part of actually introducing Mediterranean diet, which is more popular in the Mediterranean area like Greece and Italy. So it has been recognized for healthier and more sustainable diet, and it has proven to be more beneficial for heart health and chronic disease. And it basically emphasizes on use of vegetables, proteins, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and less use of red meat, which all these ingredients are very popular in the Mediterranean diet. I'm just gonna add a couple spoon of olive oil, and basically that's it. Our food is ready. This is originally in northern part of Iran. The people eat it with fish most of the time, but you can have it it's an appetizer. You can have it with like as a dip. You can have it with crackers. You can have it with barbecue or any meals that you have. It's a very unique, very delicious food. The combination of olive and pomegranate paste is one of my favorite. Hopefully I can demonstrate a few more recipes in future. This recipe, you can leave it in the fridge for a few hours before you eat it. It would be, the taste and flavor will penetrate more, and you can keep it in the fridge for a week. I guess that's all for today. I hope you make it and you enjoy it.